Hello everybody, I'm reviewing now Mingda machine 3D printer MD600 Pro. We just got it less than 6 months ago. It's now working. We are trying to have some prints. If you want my advice as a user of Mingda products, don't waste your money. Honestly, this is an expensive piece of shit. Sorry for this word. It's worthless. Every month you have to do some expensive and hard fixing and repairing jobs on this machine. Lately they had problems with the screen. They changed it, but they put new software, and we have problem with the software. Always we have problems. You see all this box full of expensive filament, ASF filament, and the problem is always the machine stops and never completes a print. It doesn't complete any prints. We did everything. We have always problems with extruders don't working good, with everything starts very well. It sticks ASA very hard to work with, but it sticks, and everything sticks to the bed. We used also already used this hairspray to help the sticky bed, and we use 110 temperature for the bed. You see here, and unfortunately, you see now the nozzle is zero temperature. So I think it's not printing. I think it stopped printing as usual. I'm just moving like this. You see here, we have, it works for like 6, 7, 8 hours and suddenly stops. Sometimes half an hour and stops. We change everything, all the parts we change, but it's useless. This machine is useless, honestly. Never buy Mingda, what they call it, Mingda MD600 Pro. We contact to the company and they don't have answers. They try to help little, but honestly, their products is garbage, honestly, and it's useless. You will waste a lot. This worth like $2,000 or $3,000 of filament. So if you want to waste your money, you can deal with this company and buy this expensive product for nothing. Maybe we will use it as a storage box, and we buy another industrial printer. Anyway, thank you for watching, and tell me what you think about this Chinese company if you have bought anything from them, and thank you for watching.